In front of me is TCL 50SE, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. And by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher 18. It has to be from Launcher Studio developer. When it's ready, open it. Hit Get Started and tap on I agree to terms and conditions. Then select Continue twice. Hit while using the app in the first pop-up and allow in all the other ones. Finally, after closing an ad, manage all of those options however you want to, or just do it later. To apply your launcher, hit Set as Default at the top, tap on iOS Launcher and wait. As you can see, app layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going back to the same Launcher app. Click in Set as Default and tapping on your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!